Demystifying the conveyancing process in Trinidad and Tobago. Ever feel lost in the legal maze of buying or selling property in Trinidad and Tobago? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video breaks down the conveyancing process step by step so you can navigate it with confidence. Conveyancing is the legal process of transferring ownership of property from a seller to a buyer. It involves a series of steps, from initial negotiations to the final registration of the deed. Understanding this process is crucial for a smooth and successful real estate transaction. Several key players are involved in conveyancing. These include the buyer, the seller, their respective attorneys, and sometimes a mortgage lender. Each party has specific roles and responsibilities to ensure a legally sound transfer of property. The conveyancing process typically begins with an agreement of sale. This document outlines the terms and conditions of the sale, including the purchase price, deposit, and closing date. Next, the buyer's attorney conducts a title search to verify the seller's ownership and identify any encumbrances on the property. This is a critical step to ensure a clean title. Once the title is cleared, the buyer secures financing if necessary. The mortgage lender will then instruct their attorney to prepare the mortgage documents. The attorneys for both the buyer and seller then prepare the necessary legal documents, including the deed of conveyance. These documents are reviewed and signed by all parties. Finally, the deed is registered at the land registry, officially transferring ownership to the buyer. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. Conveyancing can sometimes be complex and time-consuming. Common challenges include title defects, delays in financing, and disputes over the terms of the sale. To avoid these challenges, it's essential to work with experienced professionals, including a qualified attorney and a reputable real estate agent. Thorough due diligence is also crucial. Preparation is key to a smooth conveyancing process. Gather all necessary documents in advance, communicate effectively with your attorney, and be prepared to address any issues that may arise promptly. Consider also the state of your new home. After the conveyancing process is complete, you might be looking for house cleaning services near me to get your new place sparkling. Or perhaps you're on a budget and searching for cheap cleaning services near me. Conveyancing involves various costs and fees, including attorney fees, registration fees, and stamp duty. Be sure to factor these costs into your budget. Your attorney can provide you with a detailed breakdown of all anticipated costs. Transparency is essential to avoid any surprises. Navigating the conveyancing process without professional legal advice can be risky. An experienced attorney can protect your interests, ensure compliance with the law, and guide you through every step of the process. Don't hesitate to seek legal advice, even if you think you understand the process. It's always better to be safe than sorry. We hope this video has demystified the conveyancing process in Trinidad and Tobago. Remember, buying or selling property is a significant transaction, so it's essential to be well-informed and prepared. Now we want to hear from you. Have you recently gone through the conveyancing process? What was your biggest challenge? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips and insights. And if you're ready to buy or sell property, contact us today for expert guidance and support. We're here to help you achieve your real estate goals.